Welcome to part 3 for Agentforce agent training, the trailhead that we are doing. We have already created roles, actions. This one, just for the time sake, I've already created a couple of actions for you, which is get customer detail action and the get session records action, where we just need to change the flow type, the type of the action as flow, and also this one, create experience session booking. So I'll skip this part. Actually this is pending, let's do it together, so this will help you out also. So I'll go to the agent builder, so let me copy this. So this will also show how you can create the flow action type. I have created the prompt type also, so you can see already more actions being created. Go to new, click on add action. How to go there is just go to the topic that we have created, go to the second sub tab, this topics action, click new, add action. This is also a flow type, and search then create experiencing session booking. Go next. Here we need to see what is the input field required and what is the data that we need to collect. If you see the contact ID, the required input is enabled. So if I scroll down as input, required input is done. And if I go to the for guest, require input and collect data from user is done. So both these fields are required, input and collect data from the user. And also we have our session ID require input and show in conversation is true too. So the session ID require input, and on the what to show in the conversation, if you see what was the value, it's a booking output to be shown. So if I go there, so this is the booking output message to be show in conversation. I believe this is the same, right? Booking output, yes. And also booking message, both of them actually. So you can show in conversation, click on finish. So this is, now we have completed all the actions that are required. Only thing is I've changed the type to prompt and I've used the type of flow as mentioned here. Now next is we have to give more instructions to pick the correct action, because now when we talk to the Agentforce, when the instructions are given, it might not know which is the right action that it need to pick. So for that we need to do the topic configuration part of it. So click on the topic configuration, add instructions. So this is what we are educating, basically training the model behind the scene for that AI engine to work. So let's go to the topic configuration. This is another tab on the left side. I have clicked here, add instructions. It is saying click that 5 times, 1 2 3 4, and if I scroll 5. So I'm just training the bot here. Leave as is the first one. Let's copy and educate the instructions which will take from the clients. I'm just leaving the first one as is. I'm just going to the second one. Let's paste all those here. I'm just doing it with you. Convert the date and get the session ID. What is the next we have? And I believe this one is the 6th one. Okay, it was not blank, actually the leave is as the first one that we already have created. So let's use this one also. This was one which we created in the first video. Now click save and activate. So now we are just saving it. The instructions are being set up. Now the agent force knows how it need to work, and I'm on the top right, I'm activating this Agentforce. So this agent is being activated. So now we have covered. If I go to the architect again, so you can see we have created the topics. Inside the topics we have given the instructions, and now the instructions, and also we have set up the actions what this Agentforce need to do. So this is we haven't done the last part, which is the channel where this need to be deployed. So that's next. Now we need to test the agent. Okay, yeah, that's testing is pending too. Let's refresh and just go to the and see how this is it behaving better. Now let's refresh the preview part on the conversation, type and send. So it is analyzing the request. Now it will process more request. Can you let me know more about the full moon beach party experience? Could you please? Now it's asking more information based on the instructions that we have sent. it's say asking me the email address and the membership. See, remember when we had an input field required, so those are the information. If you go to the experience management, it had 6 instructions and 5 actions. Now it is doing the mapping there. So it is asking for more information. Let's give information of email address, and also the other value which it asked was the number, membership number. So now we are giving more information. It will process behind the scene, will do the same thing, mapping, doing the instructions and the actions that being set. If you see, it goes through all the actions, used all the instructions that we have given, and did the modeling part, and given the input was the member number and email that was required, and it has given the output which is shown as a message. Great, Sophia, let us get the more details. Hang tight. So for that, now I'm asking more details. For this, I'm using the action which is a prompt action. Can I book the full meal party? So basically this is the live conversation that is happening. Someone who came to our website CRM asking the questions, and Agentforce is replying back. Okay, so 10 a.m. experience full moon party. So it's giving the information. We have a session available, this. Now what is the next question? Can you recommend any other experience for me? So it's we are just testing the AI capabilities. So it's again analyzing the request. So this means congratulations. First of all, we are able to create our first experience agent using the agent builder, the Agentforce, and it's working fine. So see, figuring out the next steps, working. So it's given me whole data information which is available. This is the schedule which is available. So rather than using someone manually sitting there pulling that information from the Salesforce or third-party system, this is being done by our trained Agentforce. So next we have to do the deployment. Let's continue it here for the time's sake. So add a permission set. Yeah, so we have to do the permission set also. Let's go to the search user in the setup. Now we have to go to the setup again, go to your Salesforce instance, run the setup, go to the users. Basically now we are on the third important part, which is the guard railing. So we are giving the permissions, what all the things that Agentforce can do. Setup is taking time. Meanwhile, I'll go here, and in the users we have to search the Einstein service agent user. Let's go here, let's go to the users. If I go here, so what was the name of the agent service agent user? Yes, go here. What is next we have to do? Scroll down to the permission set assignment section and click added assignment. What next? Select the service agent permission set. Okay, so we are giving the permissions on that. Okay, let's go back. Permission set assignment. Let's go. What is the permission sets? This is being done. I've clicked on that. Use added assignment. Okay, so service agent permissions we have to give. So this is basically a basic stuff of the Salesforce. We are just doing the user permission sets. Click add. Oh, it's not selected. My bad. Save. I just did the control F. So now just this is being done. Add. This is fine. Click save. Now add the agent to the Coral Cloud site. This is what the deployment part is happening. How our website, that's the main builder part, knows that now the agent have to work. The Agentforce is working. So for that we need to deploy that. Search digital experiences in the setup. This is a very important part. Let's go here. And in digital experience we have to go to all sites. What next? In the builder, so again we are launching the builder. Click the components widget. Okay, let's launch the builder. Actually builder was already launched in my case, but anyhow, Coral Cloud is a builder space. Let's launch it. I've clicked on that link. It's asking me click the components widget. It's on the top left, and then search the embedded messaging. Remember we activated the Agentforce using the agent builder, and the name was what? Experience management, right? So let's see, this is the one on the top left. Click on components, search for embedded messaging, drag this embedded messaging and drop it in the first one, the first column, and this pop-up comes up with all the settings that's there. Let's see what we have to do with this thing, or we just ignore this, right? Leave the default settings, click publish in the upper right corner and click publish in the confirmation window. Okay, let's leave this one, click on publish on the top right, click publish. I just okay, just got it. We are publishing your changes now. So basically this was adding the agent to the Coral site. What was that? Search, embedded messaging and drag and drop. So these are the component that's being created. What we have to do is now view the agent as a customer. So we have to see whether this agent is working or not. Click on the experience builder menu. This is on the top, and let's see, what was that? View as a Coral cloud to open the publish. So this is the site changes are being published. Go there and click on this messaging. I'll copy this. I'm just running for the steps just for the time sake. Go to the experience builder. On the top left corner, you click on view Coral cloud. It will launch a website, the running version of this we are doing the first time. That's why it is taking time. It's loading. Oh, that's too slow, man. Could have clicked before, but anyhow, I'll just copy the further steps. We have to click on the bottom right message icon. It will be deployed, and we can test this, which was we were doing in agent builder, which is activated now. If you see here, the things which we are using in the conversation preview will be doing on the live website. So yeah, this is the live website from Coral Cloud, and if you see on the bottom right corner, I can see I can launch this Agentforce, and let's do some conversation magic. It's a chat. Let's click on this. Hi, I can assist you. How I can help you now? Let's do this. I think we just loaded before we messaged. So this is that typical message. We can just change it. No, see, it's asking me the information, email address and the membership number, which it was doing the same in agent builder also. So let's give the email address and the numbers, membership number, and just see how it behaves. It's doing the configuration behind the scene, running from the topics, instructions, and doing the actions. It's asking more information. Great, Sophia, I have details. What next? So keep answering the questions and book a session. So this is how it works. Maybe just for the fun time, you can just for the time sake, I can see what are you looking for available session. Yes. Would you like to make a booking? Let's say yes here. So this is how we do the conversation using the Agentforce. This was a live demo. See, this is asking me, could you please provide the date? Let's say from 5 days. I don't remember the date here. Just say 5 days. So now you can see how smart our Agentforce is. It's using all the topics. It is using all the instructions. It's replying back with information. Just to summarize again, we use the topics and set what it need to do, set up the instructions and did actions using flows, apex and prompt, and now we have deployed it. So we have covered all the components of a Agentforce agent. Hopefully this adds value to you. You learn new things from here. We need one favor, just like and subscribe to our channel. It motivates us to create more videos, and comment below what was your experience working with Agentforce. If you need more help for future Salesforce videos, do let us know. Thank you.